I'm Dr. Obi Sharma. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm a husband of the recipient.
I'm Dr. Meeta Sharma, a practicing radiologist, and I underwent robotic preemptive kidney transplant on the 1st of March 2020.
I am Paresh Karia. By profession, I am real estate consultant. I have my business in Nagpur, Central India. I am a donor.
I was born with a solitary functioning kidney, and I was performing very well with it till 4 or 5 years ago, when I landed up with proteinuria, hypertension, and things started getting a little deteriorating. Yes, the doctor started recommending replacement therapy for me, which was in the form of either a transplant or dialysis. That's when I revealed to my elder brother that I'm going forward for dialysis, and that's when he mentioned that we are not going for that route, we'll just go for the transplantation. I did come to know of Vedanta from one of my juniors. He's 2 years junior to me. He's working over here. He's Dr. Rakesh Khera, and he's a urologist. When I had my problems, my husband tried to talk to him, and he did give us the entire description of the hospital, the entire details, and he recommended that we have world-class surgeons out here. And we did go through the website and did find it really impressive, so we just chose it. When I came to this place, I was not aware of it, and the nephrology and the urology team did explain to me about what it is. They did explain to me the benefits, and they did tell me about how quick the recovery would be. The recovery time would be dramatically less than the open kidney transplant, whatever, and the conventional methods.
Yes.
And then also the pain would be less, the infection would be less, and the mobility would be faster, it would be cosmetic good. So all those advantages were definitely explained to me.
Okay. And so how did that meet up with the expectation? How post-op?
It is much more than expected, much more than explained to me.
Okay.
I was mobile the next day, the pain control, the analgesia was much more or less. It was only a day I needed it. And there's no infection, the recovery was faster, everything was faster, it was mobile, and I am sure the scars will heal much better.
Okay, that's great.
Better than the big one of the convention. True.
So, that way. And so how do you feel that she has been doing after her surgery?
That has been really wonderful. But she started walking day 2, and when I walked in, I didn't see any pain on her face. The amount of the narcotics she required was minimal, and she has been doing great. I definitely think this robotic is a way to go.
When I came to know that she is in urgent need of this kidney transplantation, me and my brother both were voluntarily ready to, and since my reports were matching with her better,
Yes.
so I told my brother that I wish to come forward, and doctor also were in opinion that I should be taken for the first person. We were in professional hands, and second day I was moving around and she was recovering. This is how we all thank again. We all can will thank Vedanta team.
Vedanta is a great team.
Okay.
It's a world-class facility.
Okay.
Medical facility, I would say. They're very, very highly professional, very effective communication, and they treat each and every patient with thorough dignity and self-respect. And the way they have written it down, Har, Jan and Mo, they really do care for it. There is no difference between the chalk and the cheese over here.
Yes.
Every individual is treated with the same equal respect, happily and
Thank you very much for talking.